I'm super impressed by this light. It is a solar powered light. It's like a pole light. I have this installed on my shed right in front of my garden area, and you can see it just went dim. It has a sensor, so if I move around, it will go extra bright like that. Really nice that it does that, and it really illuminates things very well. So if I want to work in my garden, I can see exactly what's going on. This light in particular is very large, very bright, very happy with how much it actually illuminates. This was sent to me so I could make this video and try it out, and I've tried a lot of similar lights like this, and honestly they're all more or less the same. What I think sets this apart from others that I have tried is just how big and bright this is. It can get really bright. Let me go ahead and turn it up to 100%. This is up 100%. It is really bright for being a solar light. I keep it at 25%, so let me put it back to 25% so it doesn't kill the battery at night. But it's really nice for when I'm walking around my house. You can see as is, I can see everything just fine, but then when I walk by it and the sensor detects motion, it does get brighter. So it's just so nice how well it works. It also has a timer mode. So say you are working in the garden and you know you'll be there for a few hours, you could press the button for a few hours and it will stay on full brightness for that amount of time. I've been really happy with this light. I like the sensor. The sensor works really great. In fact, it will see me from many feet away. I think maybe about 30 feet away. So as soon as I start walking, it turns bright. Really nice light to have, especially in an area where you just can't supply power. Very happy with this.